Hey everyone, welcome back to IT Next. If that annoying Activate Windows watermark has been haunting your screen, don't worry, today's video will show you exactly how to remove it step by step without using any sketchy software or product key. Let's dive in. First, we're going to use a simple command to disable the watermark. Click on Start and type CMD. Then, right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type this code. Press Enter. Here you will see command completed successfully. Now, restart your PC or laptop for the effects to take changes. This command refreshes the Windows activation configuration and sometimes removes the watermark. Your screen should now be watermark-free. If this helped, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Next for more tech hacks and Windows tips every week.